What's up? Welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about deaf people and how hearing people kind of view us. So I had this person ask me to talk about their app for deaf people. And what I have learned is that I think a lot of hearing people don't really understand deaf people. There are different types of deaf people. You can be born deaf and have only learned sign language and not have learned English. Or you can be born deaf and forced to talk and only know English and not know sign language. Or you can be born hearing and then have lost your hearing due to something like a medical condition, medication, anything. And only knew English up until then and was speaking because you weren't born deaf or anything.